Hi, welcome to MyRank YouTube channel. If you like our content, please like, share, subscribe and please hit the bell icon to receive the timely updates. Today we are going to discuss about Vedic Mathematics 10 Sutra Part 2, which is Yavadunam, Tavadunikritya, Vargancha, Yojayet Part 2. Here, Yavadunam means by the deficiency in Vedic mathematics. Sutra means is whatever the deficiency reduced by that amount times set up the square of the deficiency. The sutra can be used to obtain squares of numbers near bases to multiples of 10, 100, 1000 and etc. That is k into 10 power n, where k is subbase. Number close to 20, 40, 200, 500 and etc. like 24 square, 42 square, 306 square, 502 square and etc. Now we go to example 1. Let us see how to find the square of 26. Here nearest base is 10 and subbase is 2 since 20 is multiple of 2. The deficit, that means difference between number and the base. Now deficit equal to number minus subbase into base, that is 26 minus 2 into 10 equal to 6. Square of deficit equal to 6 square, that is 36 equal to 6. Here 3 is carried over because base 10 is 10. So right hand side answer is 6. Subbase into sum of number and deficit plus carry equal to 2 into 26 plus 6 plus 3, that is 64 plus 3 equal to 67. So left hand side answer is 67. Hence the combined answer is 26 square, that is 676. Now we go to example 2. Let us see how to find the square of 66. Here nearest to base is 10 and subbase is 2. Since 70 is multiple of 2. The deficit, that means difference between number and the base. Now deficit equal to number minus subbase into base. That is 66 minus 7 into 10 equal to minus 4. Square of deficit equal to minus 4 whole square, that is 60 equal to 6. Here 1 is carried over because base 10 is 10. So right hand side answer is 6. Subbase into sum of number and deficit plus carry equal to 7 into 66 plus minus 4 plus 1, that is 7 into 62 plus 1, that is 434 plus 1 equal to 435. So left hand side answer is 435. Hence the combined answer is 66 square, that is 4356. Now we go to example 3. Let us see how to find the square of 201. Here nearest to base is 100 and subbase is 2. The deficit, that means difference between number and the base. Now deficit equal to number minus subbase into base, that is 201 minus 2 into 100 equal to 1. Square of deficit equal to 1 square, that is 1. We can take 0 1 because base 100 has 2 zeros. So right hand side answer is 0 1. Subbase into sum of number and deficit, that is 2 into 201 plus 1, that is 2 into 202 equal to 404. So left hand side answer is 404. Hence the combined answer is 201 square, that is 4401. Now we go to example 4. Let us see how to find the square of 486. Here nearest to base is 100 and subbase is 5. The deficit, that means difference between number and the base. Now deficit equal to number minus subbase into base, that is 486 minus 5 into 100 equal to minus 14. Square of deficit equal to minus 14 whole square, that is 196 equal to 96. 1 is carried over because base 100 has 2 zeros. So right hand side answer is 96. Subbase into sum of number and deficit plus carry, that is 5 into 486 plus minus 14 plus 1, that is 5 into 472 plus 1 equal to 2361. So left hand side answer is 2361. Hence the combined answer is 486 square, that is 2,36,196. Here are few more examples. For complete free Vedic Math package, feel free to contact us.